Good morning guys! Off to work. Swerte ko kasi sa daan hinahatid, sinusundo ako. Nihingi ko yung band-aid kasi yung kuko ko, yung toes ko. Mahaba yung kuko ko sa paa, diba? And I usually do not wear shoes, closed shoes. And parang pangatlong araw today na straight na wear ako ng closed shoes. Tapos yung mahabang kuko ko, parang nagra-rub siya sa kabila. And then medyo nasugatan siya ng konti. One time na lang, tingnan ko yung paa ko, sabi ko, may dugo, nakakaloka, nakakadiri din. Pero yan, nakita ko nag-rub siya sa kabila. And it happened sa kabila. I'm chewing my vitamin C. So band-aid. Anong package na kailangan ko i-claim, kaya lang wala akong time. Kasi pagdating namin sa bahay, wala na. Close na yung post office. And then, we'll go on Saturday na lang. Buti na lang they're open on Saturday. Actually, maybe you can get it, but...
We're gonna get it today.
Oh, you will try?
We'll get it today. I'll be here back here in this area this morning.
Oh, okay. It's 8:24 right now. I need to be at the office at 9. And I will make it on time. Nung first day, sobrang aga namin na done. And then, nung second day, in-adjust na namin siya. And then today, 8:24. We will be fine. So because I don't have to buy lunch, I'm bringing my own lunch. Nagluto ko kahapon ng chop suey. So I brought some. We still have some chop suey in the fridge, babe. If you wanna eat that for lunch.
Yep.
Ha, look at you. Look guapo, babe.
Thank you.
It's busy today.
So we call
all these
it
cars.
8:25.
8:25, okay. Wala pa akong lipstick, guys, kasi nagli-lipstick ako kapag nasa car na.
Did you tell about 100,000 or not yet?
Oh, yeah! Thank you! Sinabi niya sa akin na naka-100 ako when I was doing my makeup today. Really? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't want to say thank you and then it's not true.
Yeah.
Aw, 100,000. Thank you, guys! What are we gonna do?
Eat chicken wings.
Eat chicken wings. We will actually go out tonight to eat chicken wings. But dang, babe. Thank you. That's a lot of people. Wow. I haven't been on, like, full on YouTube for the past few days kasi nga sobrang busy. But yeah, Dad have been reading your comments. Hindi niya maintindihan lahat, but he has been reading your comments. If he can understand, he will respond. But ako wala kasi pagdating ng bahay, prepare dinner. And tinutulungan niya naman ako na Dan. And then kapag tumakbo na siya, I edit the video. And then pagdating niya, natutulog na ako or sobrang pagod na ako. So sobrang aga ako natutulog. And yeah, hindi ko alam kung kailan ako siguro because on Friday it's my hen's night. I was gonna say on Friday I'm gonna read all your comments, but I can't. What's with the traffic? We're not moving.
This is what traffic's like. We've been lucky so far.
Wow. My face. I actually do not have a lot of makeup on. Nag-ano lang ako, guys. Nag-concealer lang ako. Under my eyes, dito. And then, nag-blush, nag-highlight, eyebrows, mascara. Wala pang lipstick. Yun lang. Hindi ako nagpa-foundation. And yeah, ito! I have a problem kasi, it doesn't really look that bad on camera. Inano ko siya. In-iron ko na siya. Kaya lang, super wrinkly pa rin niya tingnan. But, in-iron ko siya kagabi ng bonggang-bongga. And the other shirts, I tried it and it didn't work. So, I need to wear this one. Anyway, I'm gonna put these band-aids on my toes and then wear my shoes. Nakakaloka. Oh, how's your smoothie, babe?
Good.
Good? I also have a smoothie in my bag.
That's such a stupid question.
Traffic, guys. No, not really. I have on my lips the ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Cami. Ito na yung ginagamit ko araw-araw talaga. This is in my bag. So, siguro paubos na to, nakakaloka. But yeah, kasi it goes with every outfit. And see, hindi siya like baba boom. You have lipstick on. It's alright. It's nice. I like it. What time are you gonna pick me up?
I'll meet you there.
Oh, nice! Kailangan ko maghanap ng gift para kay Kat, guys. I actually ordered few things para kay Kat para sa birthday niya. But the order that I made, hindi pa siya na-ship. And yung birthday ni Kat sa Saturday na. No, it's not Saturday. Her birthday is
Sunday.
March No, that's not her birthday, March 21st. She's just celebrating it in a different day. Hello, what's... Okay, we're taking the shortcut kasi this guy, this guapo guy is a pro. Are you a pro?
I am at dodging traffic and finding car parks. I am.
You are. I just said you're a pro. You don't want to accept pro?
I'm a pro. I said I'm a pro.
You're a pro. You're the traffic pro. When there's no cars around, like see.
There's no traffic because they're taking a shortcut.
There's this traffic, guys. There's one car. Traffic. Oh my gosh. Traffic. Traffic?
God, you're stupid.
God, this girl is stupid. Oops. There's one car. Traffic. Oh my gosh, babe. Traffic. There's two. Ooh. They're going there. Okay. They're going. They're going in the same route. Do you say route or route?
Yeah, route, same thing.
Mini. Oh, that's a really good mini, babe. Did you see it? It's the mini that I like. The really like, you know, off-white. This mini. Merong malaking mini, guys, na ano siya, 4-door, is it? The big mini is a 4-door.
I wasn't paying attention.
You weren't?
No.
No, the big mini, babe. I think it's 4-door. It's bigger, so of course, right?
Alright.
Yeah, 4-door siya, guys. Maganda siya. Kaya lang hindi siya pang family car kasi it's a Mini Cooper. You know, I don't know if it's Mini Cooper yung malaki kasi that's no longer mini. But it looks really nice. Is it good? Oh, that's the original. Dito kami papunta kami sa Rondo Place. Nando ako ni Danny Boy. And we stopped by Krispy Kreme. He got the original. And I got the caramel. Can I have mine, please? Please, can I eat mine right now? Pupunta kami sa mall. Maghanap ako ng gift para kay Kat. Good luck sa akin ito. Si Kuya. Makatingin naman si Kuya. Over. Hello! Nakabili na ako ng gift para kay Kat. It was quick. Pagpasok namin dun, they were close in 15 minutes. Nakakaloka. Hello, babe. Forever News up to 50% off. They have my size.
They're going to cotton on first? Or they're shutting, so they're bringing stuff in?
Okay. Magko-close na sila yung mga shop dito. Ang aga mag-close. Gusto ko pumunta ng Cotton On. I-check ko yung teen section nila. And then, I will buy some, you know, tops na magkakasya sa akin. Kasi yung top na really, yung top na gusto ko, it's from H&M na ano, teens. Ay, nako. So, I need more tops. Ang ganda niyo. I love you. Thank you. What's your name?
Patricia.
Patricia.
Can I have a pic?
Of course, babe. Can you take a picture of us? Or do you want a selfie?
Kahit ano.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Salamat. Nice to meet you. Punta kami ng Target. Nihintay lang namin na mag-go. Nakapag-shopping ako dito sa loob, guys. Dottie. Nakabili ako ng 3 skirts. I'm getting my face matched. Dito sa... No, not bad at all. What's this restaurant called?
Electra House.
Electra?
House.
Electra House. Wala dito eh. Electra House. We will have chicken wings. We got our drinks. Lemon bitters.
You do it.
You need to do it right. Not like... So shaky. You don't know. Sakit ng paa ko, guys. Bago kasi yung sapatos na ginamit ko. Yeah. And then, guys, I'm so excited. I got 2 samples. Yung double wear na, na foundation. Ang bait-bait niya. Binigyan niya ako ng 2 sample. Yung double wear na light. At saka yung double wear talaga. Yung pinakasikat. Yeah, she matched me today. Tinanggal na niya. Did she remove the one that she put last?
Yeah,
she removed all of it. So, wala na ako. But yeah, itatry ko siya during the weekend. But look at that. Estee Lauder. The double wear, I am in the shade Shell Beige. And then yung double wear light, I am the shade number 3. So, excited na ako i-try siya. And I actually think na masusuot ko siya sa wedding talaga if I like it. Like, ito lang, hindi na ako bibili ng bago because I don't really wear eyeshadow. I mean, foundation on a daily. Like, right now, I don't have any foundation on. Just concealer and powder and that's it. And then I'm gonna do a haul right now. It's so nice in here. Kami lang na dito. I got skirts from Dottie. And yung nakalagay na presyo doon, ano siya, $50. Pero naka-sale siya, $14.95. Look at this. $49.95. Tapos $14. My nails are so bad. I need to paint it tonight. Because I need to, yeah, I'm going out tomorrow. But this one, guys, guess what? This skirt. How much?
$6.
$6. $5.95. How crazy is that? I thought it was 14 kasi yun yung nakalagay. But nung skinanan niya, sabi niya $17 yung total ko. I was like, wow, lahat sila $5.95. Ito din, nakalagay $14.95 and $5.95 na lang siya. It's basically the same, just different print. And then ito yung merong $5.95. See? So, akala ko ito lang yun. Imagine, from $50 to $6, that's just crazy. And I can wear it to work. So, ganito yung pang last. So, I got 3. Meron actually silang 4. They have 4. The other one is white. Tapos floral yung print niya. And I just don't see myself wearing that to work. But yeah.
You're gonna hold Kathy's present on that right now?
No, I did get this. Well, I can show it to them.
Yeah.
Not showing the actual stuff inside. This I got for Kathy. Ito, guys. So, naka-wrap na siya, which is great. And, yeah, it's rose. So, meron siyang maraming laman dito na kung ano-ano lang. And, yeah, I think, I'm pretty sure she will like that. I hope she will. Guys, sabi ni Dan, we will film that my fiance does my makeup blindfolded. He wants a challenge. Sabi ko, I just want him to do my makeup. And then he said, can I wear the blindfold? Yes, of course. That would be fun. We look good, babe. Look at us. We're working people.
Yeah, shirts on. Slaves. Slaves to the man.
We're slaves. We're happy slaves. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Good. I'm happy. We're waiting for our chicken wings. You guys, alam niyo ba? They have $1 chicken wings. On Thursdays, the chicken wings, only $1 each. So we ordered 20. Ito, oh. Look at this. Oh, my nails are so bad, but they're right here. Yeah, I'm gonna hide it. They can see your face. There, $1 chicken wings. How good is that? That's great.
Yeah.
And this is only $3.50. We were not expecting it because this is actually good.
Bit fancy.
Electra. Yeah, Electra House. I can see the sign right there. It is fancy.
Show them the thing bag. I'm too shy.
I will. You cannot hide. Yes. Look at that. How fancy. Wala pa masyadong tao kasi maaga pa. Actually, not super aga. But see, mga working people ang nandito. And then,
The pop lamps.
yeah. How cool.
Ah, the plants.
The plants? Gusto daw ni Dan yung plants. Here you go. Plants.
That's nice.
Chicken wings. 20 pieces chicken wings. $1 each. Not bad. Good luck. Let's eat. Yummers?
Yeah, don't feel me, babe. It's just me.
Dito kami sa Romeo's. I'm not sure if you can see, but Foodland. Bili lang si Dan ng cucumber para sa lunch niya bukas or lunch namin bukas. Siguro mag-wraps din ako. Kagaya niya, I'm actually thinking of getting sushi. Kasi merong sushi malapit doon. But maybe mag-wraps din ako kasi one day nag-wraps ako. And yung nilagay ko lang, walang meat. Eggs lang siya. Tapos cucumber, lettuce. What else did I put? Tomato, Oh my gosh, I hope he gets tomato. Kasi wala na kaming tamatis. Tamatis, tama ba? Hindi na ako sumama guys kasi ang sakit ng paa ko. Yung sapatos na ginamit ko today bago. And ang sakit niya sa paa. Kakaloka. Ayun, lumabas na si Dan. Ang bilis. Walang 1 minute. Wala siyang tomato. That was quick, babe! That was really quick! You forgot tomato. You don't need it? Okay. Let's go. We're literally just 2-3 minutes away from home, so. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang edit ang thumbnail para ready na yung video ko bukas. Yung video sana na i-up ko tonight is yung met new friends sa Melbourne. Kaya lang hindi siya na-upload. Like, it's still uploading and malapit na mag-10 so it will not make it. Butin lang, meron akong isang extra video yung Etude House na review and that's gonna be the video that I'm gonna be putting up tonight. And I just wanna say thank you so much, guys. Nakita ko na sa channel ko talaga na I have 100,300 plus subscribers. That's just freaking crazy. Nung sinabi sa akin ni Dan kanina, honestly, hindi ako naniwala 100%. I did say thank you because alam ko na papunta na doon, but hindi ako naniniwala kasi lagi niya akong kino-congrats in advance kasi gusto niya na siya talaga yung una nakaka-congratulate sa akin. So I thought parang sobrang lapit na lang kaya niya ako kinongratulate, but he did tell me today na like 100,000 na talaga ako when he congratulated me this morning. And I just wanna say thank you, guys. He wanted me to post something on Instagram or Facebook, which I think I should, but I honestly do not know what to say. Like, kung napapansin nyo, hindi ako masalita on social media. Like, dami kong sinasabi dito sa YouTube ko, but hindi ko alam kung paano siya sabihin in writing. You know what I mean? Like, as you guys noticed, sobrang i-clean lang ng mga post ko kasi hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko. Mas gusto ko na ganito lang kasi like, basta iba. Kapag sulat kasi parang feeling ko, ang cheesy ko na, dinidelete ko. So, kung hindi ko man siya ma-post sa Instagram, I just wanna say thank you so much. As in, sobrang thank you. Hindi ko siya in-expect na makukuha ko siya ng ganito ka bilis. Maybe some people will say, oh, hindi ka ganun kabilis. But for me, it is. It is crazy. Hindi ko in-expect na darating ako sa ganito. I started literally few years ago na nakaupo lang ako sa harap ng bed ko, nagfi-film. Green pa yung background ng room ko. And nag-film ako kasi ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin. And now, hindi ko inakala na like, magbubunga talaga siya. Oh my gosh, 100,000 people. That's crazy. That is just freaking crazy. Like, saan nanggaling lahat ng taong yan? You know what I mean? Sobrang thank you, guys. As in, sobrang thank you. Hindi ko alam. Please bear with me kapag hindi ako nakaka-reply. Please, huwag kayong magalit sa akin. Nakakaloka. Hindi ko lang talaga kaya. Alam niyo naman, nung wala pa akong trabaho, nagre-reply ako as much as I can. Pero, sa mga bagong videos, of course, hindi ko na nababalikan yung mga old videos. But, yeah. I'm sure some of you will understand. It's not easy to reply to everybody. That's impossible to reply to everybody. Yeah, anyway, nakahiga talaga ako, guys. Pagod na ako, gusto ko na matulog. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibang sasabihin ko. Thank you. As in, sobra. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Sana may video ako bukas. But, bye. Good night. Be good.